Hey y'all, welcome to Woodson Way. We have a quick meal here for you. This is Seafood Penne Pasta. Let's go. Hi there, here's the Seafood Penne Pasta. As you can see, we have the seafood, salmon, and shrimp already sauteing. I have the penne pasta noodles boiling to the side. So as that is to the side, we are sauteing the seafood. All right, we have now some grape tomatoes, green onion, and minced garlic out of the jar. Here sauteing in some olive oil. And we are stirring because one thing garlic is going to do, it will burn. And so as you stir, you're preventing it from burning and turning brown and causing you to have to start over. So look at that. Everything is opening up. You want to allow the heat to definitely open up those grape tomatoes so it just won't be all cold and ugh, who wants that? All right, as the tomato, onion, and garlic is opening up, I'm grabbing my cream cheese and heavy whipped cream to add to the mixture. All right, and we're going to probably just use half of the cream cheese and allow that to melt and thicken, okay? So it is thickening, and now we're adding the spinach. I'm adding a hefty amount because spinach likes to shrink, okay? You can use a whole bag and get a spoonful. So I'm adding as much as I can, and we're going to allow the spinach to soften and get into that cheese. All right, so now as we are adding the rest of the spinach here, you can add more seasoning if you prefer. We decided not to do it because we seasoned the seafood pretty good, and so we didn't want it to be too salty. But you want to allow the spinach to basically cook and soften into your cream mix. You can stir. You can also add Parmesan cheese if you desire. However, I like to add Parmesan cheese towards the end. So that's totally up to you. So now I am stirring. All right, so now we're adding the penne pasta that we boiled earlier. We're gonna add that to the cream cheese mix. And now you have the pasta with the seafood, your salmon and shrimp. We did not add it into the mix because we do not want it to become soggy. And then we have some garlic bread. So I hope you enjoy. Please let us know if you were able to do that. If you need any suggestions or help, let us know. We don't mind. Thanks for watching.